Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. I'm going to show you how I prepare this Palak and Methi chicken. This is a wonderful recipe. I've used one base masala for this recipe and prepared this dish. So here's the base masala. I've used it for the biryani and now for the fry recipe. Here you can see I've prepped and reserved mint, coriander, fenugreek and spinach leaves. So wash all your greens thoroughly for this recipe. Then to prepare the base, we'll need sliced onions, chopped tomatoes, green chilies, fennel seeds, cumin, turmeric, chili powder, coriander powder, peppercorns, stone flour, Marathi Moggu, Shahi Jeera, star anise, cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, Javitri. I'll also be using one black cardamom. You can use whole ginger and garlic, or if you've got ginger and garlic paste, please go ahead and use it. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video, so you need not worry. I've already shown you how to prepare the biryani. This is going to be the base masala. Using this base masala, I prepared the biryani. Now I'm preparing the fry. To prepare the base masala, I've heated a wok with oil. I started to fry the onion, tomato and chilies till the onion and tomato has softened a bit. Next, we'll add the whole spice powders and the whole spices. We'll fry all the ingredients. And next, we'll add the ginger and garlic paste and fry all the ingredients. All the ingredients used in this recipe, friends, will be listed in the description box below this video. Or you can click the iCard above this video, which will direct you to my blog. In the blog, I posted a detailed recipe. Now I'll add the ginger and garlic paste. We'll fry the ginger and garlic paste till the raw flavor has reduced. Next, I'll add the cleaned greens, that is the spinach, fenugreek, mint and coriander. We'll fry the greens. Don't stir it too much. Once you add the greens, just cover it and allow it to wilt down. Automatically it will wilt down. If you keep stirring it and frying it, it will burn. So one side of the greens will burn, the other side will not get cooked. So just add your greens to the masala, cover it and allow it to cook on low flame for 5 to 10 minutes. So that's about it. If you prepare this base masala, friends, you can prepare many dishes, vegetarian, vegan, non-vegetarian, it's up to you. Many caterers, many restaurants, they prepare such dishes. They prepare a base. So once the base masala is ready, then they prepare many dishes using the same base masala. After 5 to 10 minutes, just uncover, stir all the ingredients and fry your greens for another 2 to 3 minutes. And once the greens has fried, you can see there's no moisture whatsoever. At this point, remove it from the flame and allow it to cool down completely. You can refrigerate this as it is and grind it whenever you are preparing any dishes, or you can grind it and store it for up to a week's time. That's up to you. Now once the masala has cooled down, I've transferred it to a mixer jar. With very less water, I'll grind this into a smooth paste. So this is ready. The base masala is ready. Now let's start preparing the chicken fry. Here I've prepped and reserved the chicken. We need chicken masala, white pepper powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, chili powder. I've sliced the onions. Then we need tomato, ginger and garlic paste. And wash your chicken thoroughly. Allow it to drain in a colander. Then we'll start using it. And of course the base masala for this recipe. I've heated a wok with ghee and oil. Once the ghee and oil has heated well, I've added the tomato and onions. We'll fry the tomato and onion. If you use ghee, it's very nice. The flavor is very nice in this particular dish. And the flavor profile of this dish is completely different from the biryani. You will be amazed. So once you prepare that biryani and you prepare this fry, even if you eat it together, it's completely different. So now I've added the ginger and garlic paste. I've added few curry leaves. We'll fry the onion and tomato till it's nice and soft and till the raw flavor from the ginger and garlic has reduced. So here you can see the onion and tomato has fried well. At this point, we'll add the spice powders and we'll stir fry and cook all the spice powders for another minute's time. We'll add the ground base masala and we'll fry all the ingredients for another 2 more minutes. At this point, I'll add the chicken and salt as per taste. If you want excess gravy, add more water. but I'm going to prepare a semi-dry. So I'll add 1.5 cups of water, stir the chicken well, and we'll cover it and cook the chicken till it's nice and tender. If you wanted gravy, you can remove it from the flame once the chicken has cooked. But I'm going to keep stir frying it and fry this further. So it will take roughly about 5 to 10 minutes for me to finish the entire dish. Once the base is ready, that is, once the base masala is ready, then it's 5 to 10 minutes to prepare the entire dish. Now here you can see the chicken is cooked very well. I just kept stir frying it till the oil surfaced on top. Here you can see this lovely gravy and that chicken, it is nicely fried and that oil has surfaced on top. At that point I'll add my black pepper powder, finely chopped chilies. That's up to you. If you want to add chilies, you can add chilies. I like it nice and spicy, so I've added chilies and curry leaves. Now I stir fry the chicken for 2 more minutes and it's done. So it was a very nice semi-dry chicken fry recipe. I highly recommend it. It's completely different from the biryani. It tastes completely different. I'm really amazed and I'm really surprised with the taste and quality of this dish. So do try it and post your comments, friends. All the links and all the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video recipe. Until next time, this is Vidya Lakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.